to the Mix Lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Well, as you can see in the introduction, Marcia is showing a king size sheet, and those are very beautiful. But that's not all that she's talking about. She's not talking about only her store, although she does have four sheets for $100 sale just right on. And she's talking about these king size. It's two for 80 or two for $90. You could check that out. But she's not only talking about her store today, she's talking about people helping people. She's also talking about men and women, and the fact that basically you could get with anyone, and they could be the end of you, basically, she's saying. Also, she's speaking about helping people, all the things that she did um, throughout her lifetime. She spoke of or going to Jamaica and helping people, basically with diapers, going to different places to help. She's saying that she should have been recognized by the government of Jamaica because of all the things that she has done during and throughout the years, basically. So she's talking about that and more. So for you to hear what Marcia has to say, you have to go and catch the video. And guys, as you already know, you need to comment, you need to like, share the channel with other people, and have yourselves a wonderful one.
To something, because there's no such thing as perfect love, and we don't know who it is. God never tell you a man and a woman we pick up. So when we married to a man or married to a woman, we taking chances. Because some of them are the same person can kill we. And the same woman who make you end up in a prison. So with life, we never know. We never know what we take up. That's how I have to pray. And even if we pray, things will happen as it happen. Even if you dead certain way or dead certain way, nobody can tap you. So yeah, you have to come to realization and have to look in on yourself and see what is happiness to you. And what you're living for. What you're working for and what you want to accomplish. Because someone want to go town and accomplish all these big degree. I want to just walking around, driving a big car and living at the house and going to the house go sit down. Not even going nowhere, not living no life. You're not free. You're not married, you just feel trapped. Because you make a family and a mama influence of a married woman who you don't even love. You don't want to take up one little get a girl out the road. You don't want to take up a little get a girl out the road where you make you happy. You don't go take up one tighty girl when I make you happy. You understand? You see? Not even want to take off a little dress too good and show little nakedness. Not even want to go up on the body go ride it too well. He just want to lie down flat and get little love. Him don't want to swing from the chandelier. He don't even want to go in the kitchen go do little pan the table, pan the river and pan the bank. I don't want excitement. That's why the husband I left on the ground and be bye-bye. You understand? So I don't know. Let me see how good afternoon, Miss Marcia. Okay, yes, you okay, you get a packet. How you order again? Are you order the curtain them? The 3-piece of curtain? Are you order the 3-piece of gold curtain? Or are you order the 3-piece of something? Yeah. So that is it. I wanna not be making yourself happy. All of the sit down in the damn big piece of whole house. I wanna worship in a piece of furniture them and I have a big house. I wanna not happy. And then not see somebody out there in a one little piece of wapple and double house. And if somebody happy and out there swing and a jump up and a whatever, and then not start calling them careless girl, careless this and careless that. The people them happy and want to start criticize them in all different type of way. Like it's same thing want to do me. Oh, she live America so long. But me live America so long, but look what people me help. Me live America so long, me never waste no time in America. From me come America until then, I've been helping people. You know how much people me help until them get a green card? Do you know how much people me come off of my bed and give? You know how much strangers me carry in my house? You know how much trip I have made to Jamaica and donate my money to charity and my community and bring joy and happiness in your lives 2 times a year? What about that? Your own family? Where someone want to cock up on a dirty blood clot of foreign and don't go do one pussy clot and then you come on social media call blood clot blogging page and talk about me? And I when you see me start do it now, somehow on the blood clot take it up. On a jealous pussy clot. I saw on a blood clot bad breed and turn from morning. I don't know why I come on social media come talk about my family and talk about me. Because I'm fucking jealous because I never have a blogging page. I don't want a blogging page. You never come to be a Ross comedian. But you don't want to come cock up on a dirty Ross, but you don't want to call up all kind of people and I talk about my family and talk about me. But up on uno. Eh? With no blood clot, hungry belly pussy clot, when someone want a bumble blood clot, so come on my bumble clot yard, and my family I come bake pussy clot food. And go up on my blood clot family and go look blood clot because of pussy clot name. But you no dirty pussy clot. Want to come call up people on blogging page and talk about my family and talk about me. Eh? Well, no same blood clot is to come on my yard, come sit down at that pussy clot yard and watch TV and get ice and get food from my blood clot family land. And even up until today, someone on a bumbo clot go up and pick things and a thief it. And I carry go blood clot sell it. But to not dunce and uneducated pussy clot want to come on social media want to come put me down. On a bright. Out of that. Get the fuck out of here. That's why me, I would have never go back to Jamaica or keep one blood clot charity in my community. Me. So no dirty pussy clot from east, west, north and south come enjoy. Fuck you know. Whether you not carry news from whatever you want to carry from William C. Cocoa, Bridge or Bovrak. Fuck all of you dirty underprivileged pussy clots. You can't come chat about me and my family. You bright. You never see come see blood clot dash your belly bitches, you know. You can't come talk about me. Fuck you know. Me, I would have never. Me go to Jamaica, me just call my family, not a blood clot stranger. Now benefit from my pussy clot money ever again. When me go to William C. Cocoa Walker nowhere, never. Then would I get that blood clot. If I could take back every pussy clot money ever spend in the community there, I take back that blood clot. Eh? I want to come and come drag down me and my family. You're bright. Eh? You can't chat nothing. Me know what family me come from and me know is and me come from one of the best blood clot family that we see Cocoa Walk. The tail of them. And nobody can't stop we. We are blessed people. And we don't beg people nothing. We have. We don't lack of nothing. We never lack of food. We never lack of shelter. We never lack of blood clot land. We have everything. We never grow up and suffer and beg for bread. Whenever I walk, people come and with blood clot here, I can get things. So nobody can come on social media come talk about me and talk about my family. If you see me and wash my blood clot well, me a pussy clot 50-year-old. I mean, I care one have because someone who go on like who have things and I go on like who don't have nothing. Who the America long time too, who don't have no blood clot house. I late someone who buy a house too. So who can't talk about me. I don't have nothing. And someone on the pussy clot because when say me go open up store, make someone go open up store. Follow fashion blood clot monkey. And I sell things too. So you can't come on social media and go like you don't want to come style me. Because someone a fucking thief. You understand? So when time someone wanna come up here and talk things about me and whatever, make sure you pay me back my blood clot money when the pussy clot thief. Remember that. And that's nothing you can do. Straight up. Drop the blood clot mic. Bam right there so. And if you ever see some of them live and some of them come on social media talk about you and them family, still I wash a blood clot river. When them could have buy one machine give them for wash. Them still a piece in a blood clot toilet said we in a pit toilet said we and don't even have a flush toilet and then come here about them a chat people. And come about them a chat people. Still I go up on my blood clot land, them a thief things and I pick them. Same way. And I can't go market. I don't pay one pussy clot tax. So when you come on social media, remember, I will not talk to. Remember who not talk to. Me bless and highly favorite. And none of uno coulda slim like a blood clot, trim and slim and trim and uno can't walk in my shoes. And uno never can catch up to me for what I have contributed to society. straight up. Just like that. Sometimes if God could have just changed back. You know how much money me spend up? You know how much money I've spent in Jamaica helping people? You check up all these years that I've been going to Jamaica constantly. And a clockwork. Just like that. Every bumbleclad here, then can't see me. This is an annual thing. Sometimes I spend off all of my money if I go to family members to borrow back money if I come back up. How me give away and 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 give away. I smile, Curly, beg of this, Curly, beg of that. Curly, me wore this, I smile, something gone a bank at ATM machine, I draw 30,000, 40,000, 10,000, 10,000. Here. The amount of people who have assisted in a 2000 from 2020 in the corona. Me have to go send to Western Union to get a printout. And that the ungratefulness when me get come on social media going like say, Marcia new to charity. When me up here I help on a rascal. Yeah. And a guani like I don't contribute nothing. What them the people did there? Them a charity, them a last of these charity people. What them did there 20 years ago, or 15 years ago, or 7 years ago? What them did there? What them did there? What them did there? What them did there? And them live a blood clot Jamaica. Where them see people have murdered children and all over the world and woman. And them sit down in them yard. And half a tree the right beside of them. Emancipation Park the right side of them. And then would even get up and go into the sun. Go take piece of paper and tell them government to stop the violence. And get a law implemented. Them sit down right in them grass yard while me Bumbo Clark Marcia buy plane ticket for $800. Stop in a hotel. That Jamaica all week long. Round town, downtown, all over radio stations. Talking. Meeting with people. If get with marching and everything going on in Emancipation Park at even time giving out paper downtown or whatever. Where one there going to meeting and when Portia Simpson them all over the place or whatever going to meeting and all kind of something. Driving, spending money, putting banner on my vehicle and renting vehicle. Where one dirty bumbo clock did they? What are they? But now no want to come on social media come treat Marcia like this. Fuck kudo. They don't have a nerve. For all that I have contributed, I should be recognized by the Jamaican government for my contribution as a person who left Jamaica from young days and still remember to come back and give back to my country. One day when me I drive around, I give back to hospital, infirmities and nursing home. And I phone the people in them. I have nobody in them place. I don't have a soul. I don't have a soul in them places there. Not a family member I have in them places in Jamaica. Not one. What on a day? What on a day when I in Jamaica I drive around in a sonnet. I give out trucks and diapers. I stop at different nursing home, hospital, infirmary. What on a day? What on a there? What on a day when me I cook food? And go down and cook food and carry go walk and go look for madman and people. Eagle and everybody I get. What on a day? But you know what? Come on social media come talk. Me say me here to no blood clot, you see? I'm telling you. Remember? Me say anytime me I go back to Jamaica again straight to a resort. Me not contribute nothing to the blood clot economy. If you go rent no vehicle and go up and down and sitting straight to the resort. I give me resort the whole money. Me go along in a white man in place. Me not walk around go get nothing no locally. I go and sit my cacarass right on the beach and stretch out. Right on the beach. Let me go just like the blood clot white people them. Go a man to go be and go Kings of the tourist bus step me up and carry me go to a pussy clot place. And me get everything. I am not going down there again and go boost up the economy in all kind of way. Locally or whatever me. Me not do it. Straight to the resort me I go. Let me feel like a Ross tourist too. Let me jump. Who is going to Grand Bahia? Who is going to Jamaica Grand? Oh, yes, I'm right. Yes, let me sit on my Ross in that bus. Let me sit myself in that bus and go straight down there. I enjoy myself. Let them welcome me and me go in there, go sit down. And go near me tree big clad in the cafe. And go sit down on the poolside. Yes, me dear. I want thing at least nobody not chat you. You could have big like a barrel. You could have, your skin could have look whatever in a dressing drawers. Nobody not chat you. Then you go sit down and get served. You go down at the beach side, somebody can walk come. Hi, would you like a drinks? Yes, my dear. Go down there, go stretch out and stretch out nicely. You come back up in your room, go lie down and go along. Right this out. I saw people figure, I saw people must have vacation. No raw stress. Nobody now have to come beg you. Curly beg your money now. You send them go buy two, you send them go pick 2 apple. Hello, you can't go pick 2 apple for me? Then come back. Go pa me Ross property, go buy apple and come back and sell me my own apple. Where you pick off our family land. Eh? You go pa my family land. I wanna go pick the Ross apple and come back and sell me. Eh? You ever get that? Curly beg your talk. Where you get the apple from? I feed apple tree, right? So. Eh? You go pa my property and come back and sell me. If you want to city. You ever get that? I said, beg your money. Beg you can't. Me, I go straight to the Ross Resort. I do me call Clyde and say, Clyde, come. Me do me say, Clyde, when you're ready, you come. Me send one taxi and make Clyde, son of Kiara. I'll name drive Clyde come to the resort. Come look for me. That's all. That is it. When Clyde ready come after me, have a visa. That's all. Yeah, that is it. Anybody, I'm gonna get ready to go now. I'm waiting for the miss. Miss, you do your stuff already. Let me check back. Let me see what's going on. Hold on. Let me see what's going on. Yeah, me get enough rest now. When time me done I press gas. What time is it now? What time is it? Yes, me don't want evening traffic catch me. Cause me time I'm going to stop. As long as the rain don't catch me, I'm fine. Me I wait for somebody. I want to wait on that person. That's it. Yes. And let me get going. No. Then there's something that hungry me. Oh, I'm so pretty, honey. Me not even supposed to cuss. I look so pretty. I look so pretty, honey. I look so pretty. You're not supposed to cuss. I look so pretty. I'm telling you. You're watching from Jamaica. I am getting ready to leave. Is there anybody need anything before I go? I am at the location to get sheets and curtains.